guys. Reusable materials, you're not gonna throw away. That's the biggest motive this video. We're gonna reuse most of the materials. That's a 5-volt charger adapter, the Bluetooth module. You can use any Bluetooth module you can get. That's a WSTR Bluetooth module. Now that's the circuit there, that's the power supply. It's a 5 volts, and I've used a USB cable so that you can connect it to power banks, or you can, it's portable, you can use it in laptops. That's the Bluetooth module, power supply. That's the 2 speakers I'm going to use, and those 2 wires, the orange was for the Bluetooth speakers, and this is the we're going to use a data cable, and we're going to only use the red and black wires. We're going to cut off the rest of it too, so in total there will be 4, but we're going to use the black and red. This is one of the speakers, so those holes should not be covered with glue when we are going to glue them in place. So that's the biggest thing you should check, so that I get a good base. Now we shall outline the speaker on the box. That's a phone box. I have an old phone, I'm not gonna throw it away, just use it again. So I'm going to draw an outline on the big speaker. Make sure you don't even glue the holes that I showed you first, because they'll enable the speaker to breathe, and it will give us a good bass quality. Now I'm gonna also outline the round speaker. You can use any size of box or any size of speakers, but it should fit in the box. You can use 2, or mostly it's better to use 2. So I'm gonna outline that and cut it out. So this is how the outline looks like. Now I'm gonna cut it out. So that's how the cutout piece looks like. And glue it in place. Make sure you don't keep any airspace. Just keep it tight. And don't glue the holes. Say that again. Now you can see how it looks from behind. I've glued it properly so that there is no any leakage of air. So now let's join the wires. I'm going to join the red to red and black to white. Now I'm going to connect the Bluetooth module to the speakers. So there, connect the first wire, and then the second wire will come next. There we go, connect the second wire. I've glued the motherboard so that there is no movement in it, and I've put the wires separate so that they don't touch. You can solder them and tape them, but I'll just leave them like that. That's the on and off switch. Now we have to make the cover so that we can close the box properly. The good thing is that I glued the cable at a place where there was a inlet, so I'm gonna just make it a cave and cut it so that we can move. That's how I cut it, so that we can easily close the box. You can see it slides properly. Now we're gonna cut out. This is a normal cloth bag. You can our aim is to reuse, so I got a cloth bag. I'm gonna outline the box and I'm gonna cut it. Gonna outline the cloth bag and then cut it. Now that I've drawn the outline, which is a rectangular one, let me get out. This is the cutout, and it fits perfect. Now I'm gonna glue it in place so that there is protection of our speakers. Make sure you don't touch the glue because it can be hot. Now we're going to glue the other side. So it's ready. I've glued it properly. Now let's give it a try. Let's see how it sounds like.